Today, I'm pleased to share with you a step forward for the health of Oregonians and some good news.
New at noon, it's a small step toward normalcy. Oregon Governor Kate Brown is lifting the state's order on delaying non-urgent procedures, meaning that some medical offices will reopen next week. Fox 12's Amber WILMARTH is at the Oregon Health Authority building in Northeast Portland with more on the governor's plan.
Governor Kate Brown says lifting this order will get Oregon's healthcare system back up and running so that people can get the care they need without a delay. Hospitals and medical offices can resume those procedures starting May 1st, but she says there will need to be some safeguards in place. Governor Brown made the announcement inside the Oregon Health Authority building this morning. The order has been in place since March. That's when hospitals across the state were directed to stop all non-emergency procedures. It was done to preserve supplies and hospital beds for COVID-19 patients. Governor Brown said this executive order has been financially tough on hospitals across the state, especially in rural Oregon. But now, about a month later, she announced that order is being lifted.
Today's good news is a signal that Oregon is on the right path in fighting this virus. It's just a small step, and one that, like many others, we need to take with caution.
Governor Brown says starting May 1st, all hospitals, surgical centers, medical and dental offices will be able to resume those non-urgent medical procedures. But they have to follow new requirements for COVID-19 safety. The Oregon Health Authority says they need to have adequate PPE on hand, and they must start slowly.
For hospitals and ambulatory surgical centers, they must be sure to maintain hospital bed capacity at or above 20% in order to accommodate the potential for increased COVID hospitalizations ahead. In addition, they must start at a maximum of 50% pre-COVID procedure volume, reassess biweekly, and maintain PPE supplies and capacity before expanding. For medical and dental offices, procedure volume must be minimized to ensure social distancing.
She also advises that they prioritize procedures based on urgency and that they maintain a plan to stop those procedures if a resurgence of COVID-19 occurs. Veterinarian offices are not under this order, so they're still closed. But today, Governor Brown did want to thank them for donating supplies to hospitals and says they plan to open them up pretty soon. Reporting in Northeast Portland, Amber WILMARTH, Fox 12 Oregon.